Hi guys, welcome to another haul video, and today is a really special video because I'm going to show you guys what I shopped from Forever 21. I think I go crazy when I hear the name Forever 21, H&M and Zara. These are the three places where I shop. Some of you guys had asked me in some of my Instagram stories as to where I bought this particular top from. So I just want to tell you guys that this is from H&M, and I don't think you guys will find this right now because this is from their previous season's collection. So let's quickly start today's video. So I had recently been to Forever 21 in Bangalore. Forever 21, that's in Garuda Mall. There was a sale going on and I picked up a couple of dresses. So this was like 2 months back. So obviously you will not find the same set of clothes. So at least it will be like an inspiration for you guys, and you'll also know what kind of dresses you can expect from Forever 21. I think I love the dress collection in Forever 21 because their sizes are so perfect and the fit is so perfect, and I love their style of dresses because I really love this flowy and really comfortable dresses that feel really light on your body, and that's what I usually pick up because I'm not a person who really wears these glamorous body-fitting dresses. I love wearing day dresses that are really flowy and comfortable. So that's mainly what I picked up from the recent sale. It's been a while, but I thought let me just show you guys. So the first one is this floral sleeveless dress. It's something like this. I love the pattern, and I also love the fact that it's really flowy, and it's a dress which can be worn during the day and night, and that's what I love about this. So this is the front, and this is the back, and I'll make sure I post some pictures so that you guys will know how it's gonna look. So this was a steal. I think the MRP was around $9.99 or something like that, but I picked it up for $3.99. And the second one is a t-shirt dress. The material is like a t-shirt. It's very simple, it's very casual. It's something that you can wear it for say a brunch or a breakfast, or if you're going out with friends, if you're going for movies, something like that. You can wear it with a nice pair of white shoes or grey or red, any kind of shoe. It's a really nice t-shirt dress. It's very comfortable, and when I wear this I really don't feel like I'm wearing anything, and that's the best part. This is the front and this is the back, and I love the third one that I picked up. It's a bright green and it's an extremely flowy dress. So this is how it goes, and this is so comfortable, guys. I can't tell you. It's so lightweight, and I think it's perfect if you're traveling. It has these cross strings, and that's what I love about this. I always stick to blacks and grays and blues and all that, but I was really excited about this one because I think I don't have a green dress, and especially if you're traveling, it feels so light on your body. You can just throw on and you're just good to go, and it's so easy to pack. And the fourth one that I got was this checks button-down dress. I bought a checks shirt few months back, and ever since then I always wanted a dress, and I think this is a perfect one. It's a checkered black and white button-down dress. This is the back, and this is the front. You can wear this with a pair of black shoes or a white shoe. It has that sporty back to school look, so it is perfect for a day out. If you're catching up with your friends, going for movies or going for shopping or just chilling, then I think it's a perfect dress to wear. And I think that's about the dresses. And I also picked up one shorts. I'll just show you guys. So I bought these shorts. It feels like it's denim, but it's not really denim. It feels like it is a cotton material, and I just love the fact that it has elastic. It gives a perfect fit when it has elastic, I feel. and this is like a loose shorts. It's not like body fitting. Again, it's perfect for traveling, perfect for a beachy day, and it is perfect for a day out. You can just throw on some printed t-shirt, or you can just throw on some graphic t-shirt, and you can just wear shoes and you're good to go. And the best part about this is it can be worn as a mid-waist, high-waist and a low-waist, and that's what I love about this. So you can style it however you want it. So all these clothes that I bought are perfect for beachy place, are perfect for vacation, holiday, because it's so light on your body, and it is perfect if you want to go light on your baggage. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked my video, and make sure you subscribe down below and show some love. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and also let me know if you have any video requests, and let me know in the comment section below which was your favorite dress, and if you have any questions, go ahead and post them down below and I'll try to answer them for you. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.